If you're planning to get your home listed on the market, or you were previously listed on the market, but you were barely getting showings, it's usually not bad luck. It's one of few fixable things. In a buyer-favored market, buyers are picky, conditions are back, and days on market really matter. So a small mismatch can kill momentum fast. You're not competing with what sold last month. You're competing with what buyers can choose today. Most buyers decide in the first 3 to 5 photos. If the presentation doesn't feel worth the click, they never book the showing, and that's your highest traffic window. If the strategy is list and hope, you'll miss a surge and end up chasing the market. Layout, updates, inspection concerns, condo fees. If you don't pre-handle the obvious objections, buyers, they move on. If the right buyer isn't seeing it on the right channels with the right message, you're invisible. So here's what I'll do. I'll run a quick seller rescue audit, price position, buyer objection, presentation, and your online traffic story. Then I'll give you a simple plan to get showings back. Type in your address below for a 5-minute seller strategy call, plus a quick home value range. I'd love to hear from you.